So, dear friends, very good morning. Today we will learn exercise 4.3, question number 1 and the second number part, fourth number part. The question is, draw the graph of linear equation in two variables, and the question is given fourth number 3 is equal to 2x plus y. This is the question, we have to draw the graph. So it's very easy. What we'll do, you will make a table first. This is x, this is y, and I have told you in my earlier videos, there may be many points to draw this line, but only two are required. First, when you take x equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, you are talking about y-axis cut, y-axis, and when y is equal to 0, you will talk about x-axis. So when x equal to 0, so you will get y is equal to 3. It's very easy to solve. When y is equal to 0, you will get x equal to 3 by 2. So sometimes it is hard to draw, so we take another value, so that we can't get this upon this. So y is equal to 0, you get this. So y is equal to, suppose you take 1, y is equal to 1, then 1, 3 minus 1, 2, x equal to 1. Means x equal to 1, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, that will be 3. Okay, so it's very easy now. Take the x-axis or y-axis. Actually, why it is called x-axis, why it is called y-axis? You know, whenever we study alphabet, so we start from ABCD. Similarly, ABCD, that is the initial letters, and X, Y, Z are the final letters of English alphabet. So that's why you will see this will be most used. Sometimes this will work as a constant. Constant means its value may be 3, 2, minus 1, root 3, 2 upon 4 means all the rational real number, and xyz means variable. And you say first we will take A, then B, then C. Similarly x, y, z. So origin is most important now. So that's why we take x. This is the origin on the ground, and this is the ground. Sometimes when you will talk about 3-dimensional, then the ground will be x and y, both will be on x and y ground, and the z will be on perpendicular to the ground. That will be 3-dimensional. But right now we are studying only about the x, y. So you may imagine both. The x line is on ground and y axis on the ground. Just like we are drawing here, it appears to be my board is perpendicular to the ground, so it appears to be y is perpendicular to the ground. No, these are on plane, because when I will draw the plane, so whom will see? So that's why the teachers make this on the ground. And sometimes you will see it is time here, it is velocity here. it is time, date, and this is the force, cost. So it doesn't mean why do you say this axis and this y axis. Means this only for the sample. One variable here, second variable here. So time and force, work done, and this will be used in the your physics. Okay, come on this line. So equally spaced points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You also take a graph paper, because at that the graph paper lines are made already. Actually the problem is sometimes it's not equally spaced. If the equally spaced points are not, mathematics will not work. Coordinate geometry. It may be x-axis the units is different and y-axis units are different. It may be 1 centimeter is equal to 1, but here 1 centimeter is equal to 10. It may be. This is very interesting question. Later I will tell you. At that time, circle will be appeared as a ellipse when the but this should be equally spaced. 1 centimeter here, and when you will take 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, for the 1 centimeter 1 unit and 1 centimeter for 1 unit, both are equal, any circle will be circle. When suppose you take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter, so 2, 3, but you take here 10, 20, 30. So at that time you only change the scale, the circle will appear as a ellipse. So later I will tell you. So come on, it's very easy to draw. X equal to 0, y equals to 3, and this is 2, 4, 6, 8, like that. This is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, 2, 6, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, like that. So x equal to 0, y axis, x, this is the origin, this is the 0. You have no you don't have need to go on this or this, only x equal to 0, and y equals to 3, 2, 3. So this is the point. This is in class 11th. In class 11th you will be taught about more about this. Okay, later I will tell you. And when you take x equal to 0, you get 3 upon 2. No, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means on this line, and you get x equal to 3 upon 2 means 1.5. So this is 1 and 2, this is 1.5. Sometimes it's difficult, so that's why I have taken another value, because it is not your whole number. So x equal to 1, y equals to 1. When x equal to 1, y equals to 1. This is. You take these 3 points are in a line. So if you are able to take, sometimes if you get here under root 2, 3 upon 4 means something irrational number, and you usually write 1, 2, 3, 4. So you should to change the value of y or x, so that you may have the whole number. Okay. So these 3 points are in line because they follow the same condition, the same restriction. Equation is called restriction also, restriction in the terms of physics. This is the line, and the question has been over. This is the equation. All other points, when you take all other points, when x equal to 2, y is equal to what? You can get here. When x equal to 2, y equals to 2 2 is a 4, and 3 minus 4 minus 1. This. When x equal to 2, y equals to minus 1. This is the point. When x equal to 2, y equals to minus 1. So all the points, lies. You take minus 1 also. If you take x equal to minus 1, this is minus 1, So minus 2 plus 3 minus y is equal to 5. You are getting here x equal to minus 1, y equals to this one 5. This is the question over.